Again.
Where's it at?
It's from Harvard.
McHenry.
Nope, it's from Harvard.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Boone County in north central Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sharon, or 10 miles southwest of Delavan, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Capron and Harvard. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.